What's up and what's good, delightful learners? Nagbabalik na naman po ako, Dance Calamba, the Mr. Delightful of Learning. And for this episode, bibigyan ko uli kayo ng quick and easy tips on business writing. Yes, business writing na naman tayo, mga kaibigan. Tanungin ko nga kayo, nakaranas na ba kayo magbasa ng memo na sadyang pagkahaba-haba ng sentence o ng paragraph na hindi mo na talaga naintindihan kung ano yung gusto niya palabasin sa memo? Well, normal yan. In fact, hindi naman na nalalayo sa katotohanan yung sinasabi natin. But really, is there a way for us to make more efficient memos in terms of creating the right amount or the right number of words in a sentence or even sentences in a paragraph? Pues, sa episode na to, sasabihin ko sa inyo, yes, there is a way. Ang kailangan lang nating malaman is ano yung standard at ano yung sosobra ka na dun sa number of words para pag magko-compose ka ng mga sentences sa memo mo, hindi ka na makaka-create ng nosebleed, sakit ng ulo, at saka stress sa nagbabasa. Tandaan na sa business writing, ang pinaka-importante is what the reader understands, hindi yung kung gaano tayo kagaling sa pagsulat ng memo. Importante na iintindihan ba ng readers. So, punta na tayo kaagad sa quick tips on how to make more efficient paragraphs and sentences. Una sa lahat, ang paragraph, on average, 60 words lang. Yes, 60 words. So, pag sumobra na doon, medyo mahirap ng intindihin ng mga readers. So, 60 words in a paragraph or less, okay, then mas maganda. But then again, for every paragraph, syempre, composed of sentences yun. So, gaano nga ba kahaba dapat ang isang sentence? Kung nakikita nyo tong laptop ko, meron akong quick and easy guide dyan. Kung nakikita nyo, well and good. Kung hindi, sasabihin ko sa inyo para hindi na kayo mahirapan. On the average, 20 words per sentence. And that's it. Anything beyond 20 words, medyo nosebleed na si reader. So, let's try to have a maximum capacity of 20 words per sentence that we will create. And then, yung pinakamadali, 8 words or less. Pinakamadaling intindihin niya ng reader. Okay? And then, yung pinakagitna, which is standard, 17 words. Okay? So, ulitin ko. 8 words easy, 17 words per sentence is the standard, and 20 is the maximum number of words in a sentence that you can create in your memos. Pag 21 na, nosebleed na. Tatandaan ninyo, pag ikaw nagkaroon ng words na 21, masakit na yan sa ulo. So, delightful learners, may natutunan na naman ba kayong tip sa aking episode ngayon? Kung meron kayong natutunan, again, thank you for liking and for subscribing. Also for hitting the notification bell on my YouTube channel. And if you want more episodes like this, hindi lang po sa business writing, kundi sa iba pang mga topics, always regularly check on my channel so that when there's a new video that I will be uploading, isa kayo sa mga unang manonotify as long as you hit that notification bell. So hanggang sa muli, ito po si Dance, ang inyong Mr. Delightful of Learning. God bless, keep on learning, and see you around!